How to add a bank account on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add a bank account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the three bars at the top to reach the settings and activity. Then, select the business tools and controls option. Now choose Add Payment and tap on Bills and Payments. Hit the Add Payment Method button and select your country and currency. After that, set the time zone and hit the Next button. Here, tap on Next and enter your card details such as card name, card number, month, and year, and CVV. Finally, hit the Save button to add a bank account on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.